Hi everyone, today I will show you how we can make our eyes look bigger just by using 2 to 3 products. Hi, I am Himani, a professional makeup artist and makeup educator. So without wasting any time, let's jump directly into the video. The first step is that I am brushing my brows neatly, which alone will give face a lifted look. I am prepping my eyes using e.l.f. concealer. Also, I am applying the concealer under my brows so that they look more neat and a clean and a neat look is very important to achieve any kind of sharp and edgy eye makeup. I'm using a concealer to prepare my eyes. You can use any kind of concealer of your choice that suits your skin, or even eye primer to do the same. And now I am packing the concealer with loose powder so that it does not crease. Now this is the area where we apply the transition color to enhance the socket area of our eyes. I am taking the matte eyeshadow and applying it above my eye socket to create another eye socket, which will give the illusion of bigger eyes or eyelids. I am blending it upwards to have the lifted effect. I am taking another matte eyeshadow which is slightly darker from the previous one and applying it on my eyelids. I am moving my brush to and fro so that it can create more depth in the socket area of my eye and make my eyes look a little bigger than what they are. To make my eyelashes look bigger and curled, I am first curling my lashes with the curler and then applying mascara to make them stay in position. The one I'm using is from Mars and it really helps my eyelashes to stay in position and curl for a very long time. I am applying the mascara from the root of my eyelashes and then wiggling it towards outside to increase the length of my eyelashes. I'm using the same matte eyeshadow that I used on my eyelids outside my waterline to give a soft look. Now I will use the white kohl pencil to apply on my waterline as it makes the eyes look bigger. And oh my god, we can clearly see how different both my eyes look. And I'm using an eyelash curler one more time on a count of 1 to 10 to ensure that my eyelashes stay in curled position for a very long time. And now is the time to apply mascara on the lower eyelashes. So here it is guys, just by using few products we can have so much better look. I hope you find the video useful. Please tag me in your videos if you use this technique and subscribe my channel if you have not yet. My social media handles are also mentioned in the description. Please do follow them for more useful tips and content. Thanks for watching me. I will see you in my next video.